Another beautiful morning. Let's make some money again. So guys, some of you have been asking me, is AI trading a scam or it's real? What I can tell you guys, it depends with how you view it. But if you watch my videos every day on my TikTok account, AI trading is real. Okay, on my TikTok I have been posting about AI trading a lot, and if you watch about my videos on my TikTok account, AI trading is 100% real. Okay, so without wasting time guys, let's do something here. As you can see on my Binance, I have 11884.31 USDT, and today I'm going to show you how to trade with AI. As you can see guys, here it's my deposit. Today I did withdraw from Trexbic.app. Trexbic.app, this one. Make sure the domain name you are using is Trexbic.app or my Trexbic.com. Okay, you see I have a balance of 1.6 USD on my Trexbic, and today guys I'm going to trade with the AI bots. So once you create the account, you just find the trading bot section here and you choose AI, and we are going to use this bot called Neural Pulse AI. It's an AI powered bot, and it's very hot. It has done over 2,840,000 users, and its return is 12.20%. Okay, so since I don't have enough balance to trade with on my account, then what I'll do, I'll go to crypto wallet deposit, and I'm going to deposit on spot wallet. Remember guys, to deposit on spot wallet, and I will put amount, let me trade with the 100 USDT, for example, just for educational only. And then I'll click on get the address. So now I'll copy my address and I'll go on my Binance and I'll click send, withdraw crypto USDT. I'll long press that address here, and the account is TRX. I'll put amount is 100. Okay, so you see if I put 100 only, I'll send out 98. The fee is 1.3, so I'll put 101.3, which will now go out with the 100. Now I'll click on withdraw and I'll confirm the withdrawal to the Trexbic account so that I can start trading now. Okay, so just to watch me step by step how I'm doing this, and this will show you that if it's AI trading, scam or real. Okay, so now you see the deposit has been sent from my wallet, and the next step I want to do is click I have paid. Very nice. So at this step guys, now you need to relax, and then you wait for a few minutes, let's say 2 minutes or so, for the deposit to be detected automatically. So let's wait for it to be detected. Still waiting for the deposit to be detected automatically guys. It's usually automatic, just usually it takes about 2 to 3 minutes for the blockchain to detect the deposit. So at this point guys, you don't need to rush anywhere, you just need to be very patient. And today guys, on this video I'm showing you whether AI trading is a scam or real, and I will show you. I will trade with 100 USD, and after trading with 100 USD, I will withdraw with the profit together, as you watch me step by step. So do not worry and do not rush, because this is the only chance you learn something very important in your life, and this might be your breakthrough. So just be patient as I wait for the deposit to be automatically detected and added to my account. As you can see, we are now at 26 minutes, already 3 minutes past since I sent my deposit, and I'm still patient, as you can see. So let's wait for it. And so guys, as you can see, the deposit has been automatically detected, and here it is. You can see 100 today on 22/05/2026 has been received. So the next step, guys, I'll click on the back button, and now you can see my balance is 101. So the next step now to do is going direct to trading bots, and I'll choose AI. And today, guys, I'm going to use the Neuropulse AI. So what I'll do, I'll click on copy the AI, and then, guys, I'll now put the amount will be 100, the one that I have in my spot wallet, and I will run the bot, sign in terms, and start trading now. So now you can see the bot is now running. As you can see, it's buying on these charts and selling. So when it opens a buy trade, it shows you that it's buying, and the charts are changing in real time. So as you can see here, now also there's a live trade feed here, and this live trade feed shows you whether it's a buy, sell, and the markets. So as you can see, the chart also, the chart has started to change momentums. As you can see, if it's buying, it's selling, you can see it's now showing you in real time. So the bot usually takes about 2 minutes to trade and finish. So let's wait and see the result, guys. We will check how much we will make from this, and I will publish this video on my TikTok account. Okay, yes, let's go. I will also post it on my Telegram channel and on my YouTube channel. On my Telegram channel, guys, I have on my Telegram channel, guys, I have many subscribers. Here you can see I have 44,000 subscribers, and I can show that they are real. All of them, they are real, and you can see the videos. And on my YouTube channel, guys, I have also these, you can see 466k subscribers. Okay, so yes, the bot is still running. It's already 34 seconds ever since I started it, so it's continuing to trade. Let's give it a few moments. Still trading, guys. Still trading. 11 seconds now. 9 seconds. 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So now the bot is going to stop trading in a few. So the bot is about to stop trading, guys, and here it is. Neuropulse AI bot has finished trading, and now I'll check my balance. You can see now I am at 114 because I had 101. So that's $14 to $12 in profit. Okay. Yes. So now the next step, it's to withdraw. You know very well, right? So I'll withdraw, and I will put amount. I will put amount 100% on spot wallet, remember, 100%, and then I'll continue to address. And then, guys, I'm going to my Binance now. I will go to my Binance here, and I'll click add funds deposit, USDT, TRX, copy my address, and I'll paste the address here, and I'll repeat the address again and review. Okay, so now they have sent me a verification code to my email. So guys, I'll copy my verification code like this, copy it, and I'll go back and paste it here and then confirm withdrawal. So you can see now I did deposit. How much did I deposit, guys? I deposited 100. Now after fees I have withdrawn 109. I can still keep on trading with the iBot up to the daily required limit, and you can see now I'm withdrawing 109. That's $9 in profit, guys. So the withdrawal is now confirming, and I can check it on blockchain here to see whether it's successful. Yes, you can see it's on blockchain and it's successful, and the status is unconfirmed yet, so let's wait and see. And you can see today, guys, I did even a withdrawal of 400 today on 22nd. You can see the withdrawals I have been doing. It's showing the last 6 days only. So I have been doing withdrawals from Trexbic.app for a very long time, but you see, guys, I've decided to share this information to you so that we can all of us earn. Okay, so the withdrawal is now complete, and you can see I have did a withdrawal of 109, guys, 109.0545. okay, to my Binance account here, and you can see the 109 is processing and it's now deposit successful. So yes, that's how you trade with the AI bots on Trexbic.com. So after this, I'm very sure now you know the answer. AI bots are not a scam, they are real. Embrace what I've showed you. And also remember, you can also trade on P2P. On P2P, guys, you can buy USDT at a low and sell high. You can come to USDT here, and you can buy from like this vendor Chinwe. If you buy 1,000 from Chinwe Obi, you'll get 1,042. So what you do is you click with the purchase and then click pay and confirm, and then, guys, once it's on the payment page, you need to copy this address and you pay that amount to the vendor that you are going to buy the USDT from. And once you pay the amount, you'd be released the amount that you're going to receive. So because I'm not going to trade that, I'm going to cancel it. Okay, yes, so thank you so much for watching this video. Like, share, and follow me. Thank you so much, and have a very successful week ahead.